Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook lamb pasta. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
We'll start the recipe by boiling pasta, and this is about 3 cups of pasta. I'll add a tablespoon of salt to it. It's about 15 cups of water, and this will boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can now see the pasta currently boiling, and it's boiling on high heat. In the meantime, I'll prepare the rest of the dish. This is about 1/3 of the meat from the lamb roast I already cooked, and I'm going to prepare it for pasta. I'll cut them into bite-sized pieces. These are the pieces I cut for pasta. These are the bite-sized pieces of lamb. It's about a little more than a pound. And it's about 1/3 of the lamb leg roast. Now I'll cut the bell pepper in smaller pieces. I usually take out all these things and cut them into small pieces. These are the pieces. I'll finish the rest of it the same way. These are the pieces of bell pepper. Now I'm going to cut half of this onion. I'm going to slice them small pieces. And cross pieces like this. That's how they look. You can see the pasta is now coming along. It might take about 6 to 8 minutes to finish. It's been going for 13 minutes right now. Whilst pasta is boiling, we are going to start with the rest of the recipe. This is 3/4 cup of oil. I'm going to start on high heat. The oil is now hot, and I'm going to start by putting half a large onion. I keep stirring it. Fry it for a little while. I'll keep adding other items one at a time. I'll just fry this for a little while, and then I'll put a bell pepper. I won't make this brown like I make it in curry. This is bell pepper. Let's start frying it. This is 1 full bell pepper. And I'll fry it for a minute or so. It looks like it's fried okay now, and I'll start putting my tomato puree. This is 2.5 cups of tomato puree. I'm going to reduce the temperature to medium and start adding all the spices. This is half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oregano, mix it proper. It's blending good. 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of hot mustard, 1 teaspoon of dry mint, now the base looks pretty good. I'm going to put my meat now, which is already cooked. We'll blend it well and let it cook on a low heat actually for a little while. We don't want anything to get stuck at the bottom. That's why we cook on the low heat. And put the lid and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. I took out a couple of pieces to try how it is now, or is it cooked or not. I'll taste it now if it's cooked proper. It's been cooking for 16 minutes now, and I'll keep it for 4 more minutes. It's a little bit undercooked. This is penne pasta, and it's been cooking for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to shut it now. I'll let it sit in the hot water, which will allow it to cook a little more. I'm going to taste this now. Perfect. Now I'm going to open the lid here and see how the lamb is coming around. Looks good. Looks really good. Not much water left in this. Most of it is like spices and tomato sauce and stuff. So I'll just leave it for about a couple of more minutes and then we'll mix it up. It's about 3 more minutes and I'm going to shut the stove and then I'm going to blend it up together. Now I'll put the pasta in the bowl. Take out as much water as possible. More pasta. I keep on doing it till I finish it. It has cooked pretty good. It's nice and soft and delicious. Now I'm going to put the meat in the pasta. Some of the sauce. I'm going to mix it up now. I can still take the rest of this thing. And I'll blend it properly. You can see how the pasta is turning out. The last 2 steps are here to be done. Is 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. I'll mix it again with cheese. This cheese makes it really Italian. And finally, about a tablespoon of chopped fresh mint. Now we blend it again. You can see pasta is nice. It has good colors in that. Very appetizing when you look at it. So people say, first you eat your food with your eyes, then put it in the stomach. Now I'm going to plate the pasta. This is our final plated dish ready to eat.
This is our final lamb pasta ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time, I'm going to test the lamb pasta altogether now. It's so delicious, so tasty, so soft. and full of spices. It makes you drunk. Nice. I'm not lying, it's beautiful, it's tasty, and don't forget to try this at home. You'll enjoy it.